Hello, my name is Pastor Niral. We have all heard that meditation is something that is useful, but a lot of us associate it with either religious or New Age practices. In actual fact, meditation is a growing phenomenon in the modern world because it has so many benefits and can really impact our lives, making us a truly successful person. And what makes us a successful person is how we live our lives, whether we are high-flying entrepreneurs, parents, homemakers, or even students. Meditation can make you successful in life no matter who you are. The most common form of meditation is known as mindfulness, which is a simple technique that focuses on a single thing, such as your breathing. It sounds easy, but when you try it, your mind really wants to jump around. It's then you understand how chaotic your mind really is. So let's get into some of the reasons that meditation can have a positive impact on your life. Number 1, meditation increases your attention span. Simple meditation techniques such as mindfulness can help you stay more focused. Various studies have shown a marked increase in people's ability to access and process information when they practice meditation. It also allows you to let go of emotional baggage, and in doing so, you are able to focus on what really matters. Number 2, it helps you manage stress better. Stress usually comes about when we don't have the time or ability to handle experiences in life and we get overwhelmed. Meditation gives your mind a time to rest and lets you examine life's experiences, letting go of what's not important, rather than trying to deal with the situations at 100 miles an hour. Number 3, meditation makes you healthier. Having a better handle on stress reduces its physical impact on your body, allowing your body to deal easier with any medical conditions you may be facing. It also calms you to have a better night's sleep, since it helps deal with stress. When your mind isn't racing all over the place, you are able to fall asleep, letting your body rest to be more successful the following day. Number 4, meditation increases your productivity. It helps you to be able to multitask better and focus on what you need to be doing rather than getting distracted. And I'm sure everyone wants to be able to handle life's challenges with ease. This can come about through a regular meditational practice. Number 5, meditation helps you come up with new ideas. Through a regular meditational practice, you can actually become more accepting and less judgmental. In this way, you open your mind to new ways of looking at situations, which helps you creatively. Number 6, meditation helps you get in touch with yourself. In our modern world, we are always being told what to be like, feel, and behave. This can leave us feeling detached from ourselves, making it somewhat difficult to connect with our own values and emotions. Meditation helps us to become less judgmental and focuses our attention, enabling us to really get to know ourselves. Coupled with this, it also helps us feel less lonely and feel connected to ourselves and others instead. While that may sound odd, given that the modern world is all about being connected to each other through technology, when people feel lonely, it is even more distressing. Meditation overcomes this and provides us with a sense of being connected and whole. Number 7, it helps us to reduce depression and anxiety. So we have already talked about stress and feeling connected, but what about anxiety and depression as well? Well, studies have shown that those who practice meditation regularly have less symptoms of both. Number 8, meditation affects your mind even when you're not actually meditating. Since meditation has such a deep impact on your mind, you don't just feel its positive effect when meditating. The benefits of meditating are not specific to doing a particular task, but actually change the way your mind works on the whole. And lastly, number 9, which is one of my favorites. Meditation makes you a better friend. Since you are less stressed and able to know yourself better, it makes sense that you get to know your friends better as well. In fact, meditation is known to increase our ability to cultivate positive emotions. It means when we are with our friends, we are more likely to respond using positive emotions rather than negative ones. This leads to to a heightened sense of empathy and compassion for others. So there we have it. 9 reasons to engage in meditation to make you a more successful person. And what's more, it's something you engage in daily with no cost and little effort, although the benefits can really have a life-changing impact on our lives. My name is Pastor Niral. Thank you.